Welcome back to Commander Scallywags. Today we're going to be opening up another Play Booster pack from the Secrets of Strixhaven. Today's pack cost $5, so let's see how we do. Alright, so we have a pest here on the back, and let's go ahead and flip it to the front. So the first card we have, second card, Wander Off, exile target creature. Third, dig site inventory. Hydro Channeler. The next one we have is a horse beast. The horse is actually right there. Neat artwork. We have a spirit mascot, a bogwater, luminart, environmental scientist. And we have another sloth beast. Wow, that is actually pretty sweet. I had to look to see what that was. Think is, no man, I thought that was a foil, but it's not. Practice offense. Duty Beyond Death. It's a sweet looking card. It's a full art. Snarl Song. Wow, this is actually, the printing on this looks really faded, but it's a sorcery card and it's a foil. And then a forest foil also. All right,